Whether you're in high school searching for the right career path, a hands-on student at a technical college that's looking for a machine shop to call home, or a skilled professional in the manufacturing industry, here's a question to ask yourself. What does a career with G&G Machine look like for me? Living a life of purpose requires two things: live by your beliefs and values. People who live a life of purpose have core beliefs and values that influence their decisions, shape their day-to-day actions, and determine their short and long-term priorities. At G&G Machine, you'll have over 3 decades of knowledge and experience to draw upon. We will develop you. You'll find each day here to be anything but mundane because you'll be creating, solving, and manufacturing complex solutions for many different clients from a range of different industries. G&G Machine was founded in 1986. It was conceived from a dream and born out of ambition and unwavering beliefs. The G&G Machine of today forges forward with its founding values, and it seeks to continue building upon the vision of a different kind of machine shop. We employ over 40 individuals and operate out of a state-of-the-art facility with modern CNC equipment and specialized tooling. As a G&G machinist, you'll discover more than just a job. You'll find more than just the financial means to make ends meet, and your passion will become more than just a hobby. We believe in developing our machinists. We believe in refining your mechanical aptitude to create new, needed, and useful solutions for the world. We believe in rewarding those that demonstrate growth, dedication, and skill. We believe in collaboration and hard work. We believe in striving to be the best. So, what does a career look like for you at G&G Machine? Well, you get the idea. Your opportunity for purpose and prosperity is here. Take action and apply now. Create the difference.